how are you? Welcome you all to the learning zone. Today we are here not only to write the letters I, J, K and L, but we will also learn the letters I, J, K and L. To learn the letters, let's do a small activity first of all. Here I have written the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. What you have to do? You have to find the pictures and settle these pictures according to the numbers. So, dear children, tell me fast which picture will come in this box. Let's find with me. Which will come first? J ja joker? No. It's K ka kite? No. Ella ladder? No. Yes, it will come. What is this? This is IE injection. What will come? IE injection. IE injection. Now move to second box. What will come in this box? Let's try to find out. Cake a kite, ladder or joker? Yes. What will come? J, ja, joker. J, ja, joker. After J, ja, joker, what will come? You know very well. After J, ja, joker will come K, ka, kite. K, ka, kite. Now it is very easy to find out what will come in this box because only one picture is left. Whose picture is this? This is a picture of Ella ladder. Ella ladder. Well done. Very good. You have done this activity very well. Now we will revise how to write letters I, J, K and L. Get your pencil ready on the dot. Make a slipping line. Here make a standing line and then once again make a one more slipping line. This is letter I. Get your pencil ready on the dot. Make a slipping line. In the middle of this slipping line, make a standing line and round it from here a little. Dear children, remember, don't close it here. This is letter J. Get your pencil ready on the dot. Make a standing line. Get your pencil ready in the middle of the standing line and make a slanting line towards the top and one more slanting line towards the bottom. This is letter K. Get your pencil ready on the dot. Make a standing line. Stop and just make a small slipping line. This is letter L. Slipping line, standing line, again slipping line. IE injection. Slipping line from the middle, standing line and make a little curve like this. It's J ja joker. Standing line, One slanting line towards the top, another slanting line towards the bottom. K ka kite. Standing line, sleeping line. L la ladder. Now dear children, just see the hand movement. Now dear children, it's your turn to make the letters I, J, K and L in beautiful handwriting but without the help of your parents. Bye-bye.